It's a real good morning as we gather to sign an important slate of women's equity and health bills into law. Today, Rhode Island is closing a number of discriminatory gaps and eliminating a collection of practices that have unfairly impacted women for generations. And while there's still much more work to do, I'm proud to stand here today and say that with each bill we sign into law, we're making progress. I want to recognize Speaker Sakachi, along with Senate President Ruggiero, for prioritizing these bills during the last legislative session and ensuring that they made it over the finish line. Thank you to both of our leaders on both the House and Senate side. And of course, we don't have a signing of a bill without bill sponsors. And I want to recognize the remarkable and dedicated group of legislators who are the reason that we're here today. Representative Caldwell, Representative Donovan, Representative Hagan-McKee, Representative Kazarian, Senator Golden, Senator Lawson, and Senator Sosnowski. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you for your leadership. These legislators have worked hard day in and day out to ensure that these bills became law. And under very difficult and trying circumstances, as we have, managed both the General Assembly were able to manage their business during a COVID and sessions that have been like no other. So congratulations to our leadership, ensuring that women in Rhode Island get an equal opportunity. I also want to thank the advocates of these bills. Many are here with us today. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. It was your tireless work, your dedication, your spirit that focused us in the government on ensuring that this progress continues in Rhode Island. I personalize it with Susan and I have a son and a daughter, and I expect that Kara would have the same opportunities as Matthew, and Matthew would have the same opportunities as Kara. So thank you for that advocacy to help my daughter, Kara. You make sure that she's treated in a way that she should be treated as all women should be treated relative to, in particular, the pay equity issues. We're going to ensure pay equity for all employees, regardless of gender or race. When it comes to this bill, all I can say is it's about time. We're also barring health insurers from using the discriminatory practice of gender rating, which for years has charged women and men different premiums for individual insurance. We're requiring public schools in all 39 cities and towns to provide feminine hygiene products to students at no cost, something that's so important for our young women. We're going to allow candidates for office to use campaign funds for child care, which will allow a whole new generation of candidates to enter the political field. And we're protecting survivors of domestic and sexual violence by allowing people to request that their insurers send health communications directly to them instead of their parent or their spouse. So as you can tell, it's a big day here for Rhode Island. Again, it would have not been possible without the legislators and advocates who have championed these causes. And I know that with this team here today, this is only just the beginning. So I want to thank all for allowing me to be here to sign these important bills.